up to 20 years. They embody resilience in the wild. So once again, our team iguana, Iggy with trainer Danny. So guys, prepare to be amazed by one of the most captivating bird in the avian world. Presenting the Rufous Hornbill. Scientific name is Buceros hydrocorax. Endemic to the Philippines, this bird boasts vibrant feather, glossy black body, adorned with red, orange, and yellow hooves. Omnivores, they devour fruits, insect, reptiles, and even small mammals with their oversized cervix, showcasing their survival prowess, exceptional flyers, and they travel long distances for sustenance and exhibit remarkable familial devotion, often spending their lives together. As a forest gardener, they play a vital role in seed dispersal, actively contributing to a forest regeneration. So once again, our Rufous Hornbill, G with trainer RJ. So guys, today we're going to meet our skill friend, the ball python. Scientific name is Python regius, also called the royal python. This python species native to West and Central Africa, where it lives in grassland, shrubland, and open forests. This non-venomous constrictor is the smallest of the African python, growing to a maximum length of 182 centimeters. The name ball python refers to its tendency to curl into a ball when stressed or frightened. So once again, our ball python, Sahara with trainer Benji. So guys, let's proceed to our last animal. This creature that embodies Chris freedom and a true spirit of the open sky, Meet Race, our Brahminicae. Scientific name is Haliaster indus. This stunning bird of prey is the master of aerial route. Thus long wings, graceful flight, and striking appearance. It's like poetry in motion. It boasts snowy white-headed chest that contrasts beautifully with its rich chestnut brown wings and body. Those keen eyes are sharp as hawk. They always on the lookout for their next meal, which often found near waters, commonly found along coastline, rivers, and lakes, which is a diet of fish and other aquatic creatures. So once again, our Brahminicae race. So guys, thank you for joining us on this incredible journey to discover the Rufous Hornbill, the green iguana, the ball python, and the Brahminicae, one of nature's most colorful, loving, and vital habitat. We hope you enjoyed meeting our skinny parablos and learning more about their fascinating lives. So guys, before we conclude, we would like to remind you that you're welcome to take photos of our animals using your cell phones. Feel free to capture these special moments and share them with your friends and family to